Hello viewers, Jai Ma Kali. Welcome to another video of mine where I would be discussing about moon in the Pisces zodiac sign. Meen Rashi. Moon is all about your emotional side of life, your mind, your mother, your mental balance, and Pisces moon sign literally means moon in the house of Jupiter. So what happens when your moon is in the sign of Pisces? First of all, you have to know Jupiter is the traditional ruling planet of Sagittarius and Pisces. And it is exalted in Cancer. And Cancer is the sign of the planet Moon. So Moon becomes very favorable in your birth chart. Pisces Moon knows what they are capable of. They know who they are and what they are doing. Planning completely before executing and knowing the layout is what Pisces Moon knows best. That means they have a tremendous amount of clarity in their thoughts. Those born with a Pisces Moon will often have strong psychic abilities. They find it easy to walk a mile in someone else's shoes and are amazingly compassionate and full of love. Unfortunately, this capacity also makes it easy for them to lose themselves in others' problems. They are natural romantics and never forget a gift on Valentine's Day or someone's birthday. Pisces Moon have a wonderfully silly sense of humor that some may find a bit off base. Pisces Moon appears to know all the nuances of human behavior. Pisces Moon are easily amused. They may be labeled as spaced out, but they are deeper than most people think. Pisces Moon are easily misunderstood since they often get lost in their dreams. Without the time to drift, Pisces Moon can become overwhelmed with reality. They can easily become despondent by those around them if they are not careful. Moon in Pisces is sweet and soft-hearted. Moon in Pisces genuinely care about others and are an easy touch for a hard luck story. This moon sign sees themselves in everyone, so they empathize with almost everyone in one way or the other. They need to learn not to absorb what others are feeling, as they can be overwhelmed with the emotions they sense around them. They have an uncanny ability to understand things they have not actually experienced, which makes them very talented performers if they choose that line of work. For those who are too shy to climb up on stage, Moon in Pisces can be a talented writer, musician, or an artist. If they don't take care of themselves, Pisces Moon can get walked on. To prevent that, they need to recognize when they need a break to recharge themselves. While they need companionship, solitude is equally important to them. Pisces Moon are very sensitive and can easily be hurt by insults, rejection, and criticism. They hate being slighted. These soft-hearted people can get a bit of help from a religion or philosophy that will give them more strength than they have themselves. This moon can find a lot of fulfillment by being involved with charities or spiritual causes. Pisces Moon are romantic and creative. Being very imaginative, they can be far-sighted or impractical, depending on their situation. They may develop anxieties during their lifetimes. Pisces Moon make loyal friends who appreciate beauty in all its forms. Pisces Moon sign tries to avoid the mundane details of life. They are curious, almost to the point of recklessness. As a child, Pisces Moon can easily be bullied into going along with the crowd. This sensitivity needs to be nurtured rather than stomped on. When they feel unappreciated, they can retreat into a fantasy world that is maybe hard to let go. They are easily discouraged and may fall into self-pity or a preoccupation with what can go wrong. It is important for them to have a meaning to their life. Pisces moon are not attracted to material possessions, but they do like to show their emotions. Today, I'm gonna tell you all the remedy on how you victims can nullify the bad effects of afflicted moon in your moon sign, Pisces. By afflicted, I mean if your planet moon is in conjunction or is aspected by Rahu, Ketu or Saturn. If your moon is under the bad influence of Rahu, Ketu or Saturn, you can neutralize the evil effects through this remedy. If an afflicted moon is traumatizing you, not letting you eat, think, work, drink or sleep, then you should complete this remedy. I can guarantee y'all, if y'all complete this remedy, then you will get back that joy, that fun, that happiness, that laughter, that life full of positive energy soon. Here is the solution for y'all. Here is the remedy for y'all. If y'all are longing to lead a normal life, then listen to this carefully and execute the remedy with full faith and full belief. Your road to a peaceful, calm life starts now. There are 3 steps of this remedy. The first step is that on a Thursday, you have to take 7 pieces of camphor, 3 spoons of salt, 3 spoons of sugar, 3 spoons of rice, 7 green chilies and 7 dried red chilies. Place all these things on a pink cloth and then tie that cloth. Take that pink cloth in your hand. Remember your God and rotate it 12 times around your head in an anti-clockwise direction. Once this process is complete, take that pink cloth bundle, put some oil on it and burn it outside your house or your building. The second step is that on a Thursday, you have to take 2 threads. One thread should be white and the other should be pink in color. Hold both the white and pink threads together and tie 3 knots on it. The knots should be tied in such a manner that they are approximately equidistant from each other. Now take 5 pieces of dried red chilies and rotate those 5 pieces of dried red chilies around those white and pink threads 9 times in a clockwise direction. And then throw those 5 pieces of dried red chilies in a sewer where those pink and white threads curled together on your left leg ankle. The final step is that you have to give 61 rupees to 7 different poor people. That is 427 rupees in total on a Thursday. You have to give this for 7 consecutive Thursdays. If you are staying abroad, you can give 70 cents to 7 different poor people on a Thursday. You also have to do this for 7 consecutive Thursdays. If you do these remedies with faith and belief, I can guarantee y'all that you will get relief from that afflicted moon in the next 90 days. Ladies and gentlemen, if y'all think y'all need a stronger remedy against that afflicted moon, if y'all need a stronger protection against that afflicted moon, then I wish to inform y'all that with the blessings of my God, Jai Ma Kali, I do a special prayer for people who have an afflicted moon. The cost of that prayer comes to 2600 rupees. If you are sending the money from abroad, please send 43 US dollars. People who wish to get this prayer done for themselves or their relatives, may contact me over WhatsApp. If these remedies of mine solve your problem, which I am sure it will, then please do like my video, subscribe to this channel and share this video with your family and friends so that they also get a chance to benefit from these remedies. Subscribing to my channel can not only protect you all in your lives, but can also help you all avoid possible disasters in your life. Well, if you all wish to know your future through astrology, then you all can contact me. If you all want to live the best possible version of yourself, you all can contact me. If you all want to live a life full of love, peace, positivity, happiness and prosperity, if you all want to take your life from the ridiculous to the sublime, from nothing to something, then you all can contact me on the number given on this video. Have a great day and a great life ahead. God bless you all. Jai Ma Kali.